welcome back to the channel, guys. So we're in the Tamarind Grove community, part of Molynes Garden, right off Molynes Road. Recently did a video close by as well, so this is another video. So Tamarind Grove off Molynes Road, another community drive. You know, always trying to show you guys different areas. We just start on this cul-de-sac. It's a very short road. I guess I can turn right here. This is a 2-story house that's divided up in apartments, very recently constructed. Alright, so let's head back on the road. So it's another community drive. Not sure if any of you guys have ever been this side of Molynes, or if you grew up this side, if you're living this side, if you know somebody that comes from this side, a friend, a family member. But at the end of the day, just showcasing you guys these different areas. I know it's a very versatile channel. You know, sometimes it may be a community drive, another time it's a drone video, could be apartment review, could be a new construction, could be a road construction update. So we just try to keep the channel versatile for you guys with all different type of contents, so you guys cannot get bored. Alright, so we'll take this right. I think around here is recently asphalted. Last time I came around this side, the road wasn't this good. So that's good. May take a long while, but at least we're seeing some improvement. Alright, so some nice homes in the community as well. A decent residential community. So this is a dead end, so we'll turn right at this 2-story house. So remember to leave your comment, guys. Let me know what you think about this community. Apology for the sun as well. It's getting close to sundown, so in certain directions the sun will be directly in front of you. I think this will bring us back to around where we started. Take the left this time. the drive here and it leads back out to Molynes, close to CUR Drive. At one point, this community was a shortcut in the peak hours for commuters, so they would use this as a shortcut to reach back out onto Molynes, close to CUR Drive N, which I'll show you guys. But they had to block it off because, you know, of the amount of vehicles speeding through the community, damaging vehicles that are parked on the road, stuff like that. But I'll show you guys the barricade. Some big land spaces in some of these communities. Entering Toronto Avenue, coming off Calgary Crescent. Sun in all his glory. Alright, so right here is, hopefully you guys can see clearly. So that's Molynes Road back out there. Close to CUR Drive. So you could have taken this community as a shortcut to reach this end, because, you know, in peak hours there's a lot of traffic on Molynes. Alright guys, so another quick community drive for you guys. Just showing off the area. So see you on another video.